Let me ask you a question. Would you want to know what is the best gift you can give your children? Yes? Then keep watching this video. Hey, this is RajivKumarLuv, the life skills coach, welcoming you to this video. Through my videos, I want to inspire you to improve your life and achieve your goals. In this video, I want to tell you about the best gift you can give your children. And that gift is high self-esteem. And high self-esteem is nothing but a feeling of being worthwhile. My son, he was a very average student in school. But when he was in the 8th standard, his performance went down a lot. And finally, he even failed in his final 8th standard exams. Now, his mother was a teacher in the same school, and she was very upset and embarrassed that how did her son fail? She could not accept this. So she reacted in very negative ways, and she was constantly nagging him, which was not good for my son. Because she was more worried about what others think, and she was not really thinking about how her negative words would affect the son in his life, in his future. One day I told my son, let's go for a picnic. So we packed a few Coke cans and some chips, and we hopped on the scooter and we went out for a long ride. We found a good green spot. We sat there, we chatted, we had our Coke and the chips. And then I told my son, look son, failing an exam is not the end of the world. You are not a useless person. You can always improve. So how can we help you? And he told me, look, I have a problem with maths. So if you could arrange for some tutor for me, I would definitely improve. So we arranged a tutor for him, and he took complete responsibility. He became very self-motivated, and we didn't even have to remind him to study. Today I'm really proud that he has started his own business. He did everything on his own, and he is doing very well, and he's earning much more than me. So don't give your children money, don't give them property, don't give them expensive toys. But what you need to give them is a feeling of being a worthwhile human being. So don't tell them negative things like you are stupid, you are idiot, you are good for nothing, tu gada hai, tu nalaik hai, tu zindagi mein kuch nahi kar sakta hai. So when you tell these negative things, what you are actually telling them is you are useless, you are worthless, and you are hopeless. So please constantly encourage your children, listen to them, value them, trust them, and when you do this, you don't have to worry. They are going to take responsibility, and they are going to become good, responsible human beings, and they are going to make you proud in life. So I hope you found the video useful. Yes? So please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. So thanks for watching this video. This is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I love making videos for you. I will be back with yet another video. Until then, keep smiling, be happy, and take care.